Hi all, this is Mohit Rathi and welcome to my beginners to advanced SEO course. So guys, before getting started with this particular module, I want to tell you guys one thing, that make sure that you're watching module number 1, which is overview of search engine optimization, because only if you watch that particular module, overview of search engine optimization, you'll be able to connect with this particular module. Okay. So in that particular module, I ended up telling you that a brief overview about SEO, and then I told you that SEO always starts with keyword research. The first step in SEO is always keyword research, guys. And under keyword research, you guys know that there are three types of keywords. There is something called as short tail keywords. Okay, there is something called as short tail keywords, and there is something called as medium tail keywords, and then there is something called as long tail keywords. Right? There are three different types of keywords: short tail keyword, medium tail keywords, and long tail keywords. Short tail bole to two words rahega. There are only two words. Medium tail bole to you have 3 to 4 words, and then long tail bole to you have 4+ words. Okay. An example for this is short tail. Example is digital marketing. Okay. The example for short tail is digital marketing. Example for medium tail is digital marketing agency, and example for long tail is digital marketing agency in Bangalore. Okay. So this is the difference: digital marketing agency in Bangalore, long tail. Now, never try to aim to rank your website for short tail keywords. Always the objective should be what? Objective should be ranking for either a medium tail keyword or a long tail keyword, because once your website is ranking for a long tail or a medium tail keyword, short tail becomes much more easier. Okay. So first thing that you need to understand is the type of keywords. Now, once you know what are the type of keywords, you need to also figure out what is the search volume, because it makes no sense to rank your website for a keyword whose search volume is zero. Let's say the search volume of this particular keyword, digital marketing agency in Bangalore, is zero. Then it makes no sense for you to rank for this particular keyword. So you guys need to figure out search volume. When you're figuring out search volume, you need to also figure out the search difficulty. Okay. Now, in order to do this, you can use multiple tools. Like you can use Ubersuggest. Ubersuggest is a very popular tool. You can use SEMrush. SEMrush is a paid tool. You can also use RankWatch. Okay. So these are the different tools that you can use. Now, the tool that I'm going to use right now is Ubersuggest. So what I will do is I'll go to Google Chrome and I'll search for Ubersuggest over here. Okay. So let me go to Ubersuggest and let me write this keyword digital marketing agency in Bangalore, and let me change it to India. Okay. Let me change it over here to India. Once I change it to India, I'll get all the details related to this particular keyword. Okay, so let's say digital marketing agency in Bangalore. What is the search volume? Great. The search volume is 3,600. So I'll go back to my Excel sheet. Okay, if you see sheet number 1, I have put across a format. The first thing that I'm going to write is keyword. So I'll write the keyword over here. I want my website to rank for digital marketing agency in Bangalore. So this is the first keyword that I have selected or my client has selected. And then I'm going to write down the search volume. Search volume yahan pe kitna hai? 3,600. So I'm going to write down the search volume over here, 3,600. Search difficulty. Search difficulty, that is SEO difficulty, is 20. So I'll come back to my Excel sheet and SEO difficulty 20. Okay. Now, time required to rank. Let's say now you want to rank for this particular keyword. Since the search volume is very decent, if the search volume is above 500, I call it to be a very decent search volume. Okay, then how much time is required? So for time required, if you have watched my first module, even there I am telling you that is, if the search difficulty is between 0 to 30, it is going to take 3 months. Okay, if the search difficulty, that is ST, is between 0 to 30, it is going to take how many months? It is going to take 3 months. If the search difficulty is between 31 to 60, it is going to take 6 months, minimum of 6 months. And if the search difficulty is between 60 to 80, it is going to take somewhere close to 12 months. And if it is 80 plus, if the search difficulty is 80 plus, don't touch this particular keyword, because these are very competitive in nature. So highly recommended not to touch this particular keyword. So time required to rank in this scenario, it is going to be how many months? It is going to be 3 months. Okay, time required to rank is going to be 3 months. Then let me search for something similar. Okay, one keyword is digital marketing agency in Bangalore. Now what I can do is I can click on keyword ideas, and then I can look for other similar keywords. Okay, if you see over here, best digital marketing agency in Bangalore, top digital marketing agency in Bangalore. So all of these are what I can call them as related keywords. Okay, I can call them as related keywords. Let me pick up this keyword also, best digital marketing agency in Bangalore. So this can be also called as a secondary keyword. So my primary keyword is digital marketing agency in Bangalore. And for the same primary keyword, I can have a secondary keyword called as best digital marketing agency in Bangalore. And let's say what is the search volume? 480 is the search volume. So I'm going to go back over here. 480 is the search volume, and search difficulty is how much? Search difficulty is 13. Time required to rank is again 3 months. Okay. However, this is a secondary keyword for this main keyword. Like this, what you can do is you can search for website designing agency in Bangalore, etc., etc. Otherwise, the other technique is you can, instead of writing a keyword over here, you can write your competitors domain name. Now once you write your competitor's address, it will this tool will show you which are the keywords for which he is ranking. For example, let's say I put across brandstory.in, one of the very popular digital marketing agencies based out in Bangalore. And then if I click on overview, you see these are the keywords for which brand story is ranking. So you can also, what you can do is, either agar aapko samajh nahi aa raha, if you're not getting an idea that what will be the keyword which people are searching for, you can write your competitors website over here. Once you write your competitors website, it will show you which are the keywords for which your competitor is ranking. So you see over here, Bangalore digital marketing companies, Bangalore digital marketing company in Bangalore, Bangalore SEO company. So Bangalore SEO company. So let's say this is one more keyword which I want to pick up, Bangalore SEO companies. And the search volume is 4,400, search difficulty is 25. So I'm going to select this. I'll go back over here, Bangalore SEO companies. Okay. Bangalore SEO companies को मैंने यहाँ पे डाल दिया. Search volume is 4,400. The difficulty was 25. So it will again take 3 months for me to rank for this particular keyword. Okay. Now, once I have written down this, what I want you guys to do is I want you guys to do the same thing and at least figure out 6 keywords for which you want your website to rank. Okay. Now, once you do that, make sure the search volume it's above 500. The search volume is above 500, and the search difficulty, make sure that it is less than 60. If it is less than 30, that is very good. Okay. But make sure if it is less than 60, that will be great. Okay. So these are the first 4 columns. However, here is where all the digital marketers stop. Okay. This is what is called as keyword research. But I'll be showing you guys to go one step further. Okay. And now guys, most of the corporates, most of the digital marketing trainers wouldn't tell you this. And most of them don't follow this also. And there is nothing wrong in it because ye yahin pe khatam ho jata hai keyword research. But I'll tell you one step further. What I do is I also try to find out, okay, I'll write column number E, estimated traffic once you rank. Estimated traffic once you rank. Now let's say you have worked for next 3 months and now your website is on the first page of Google. Okay, let's say you have worked for your website is on the first page of Google for this particular keyword, digital marketing agency in Bangalore. So 3,600 people search for it every month. Will all the 3,600 people click on your website? The answer is definitely no, right? All the 3,600 people are not going to click on your website. They will either click on the first website, they will click on the 5th website, they will click on the 8th website, etc., etc., etc. आपका website से first page के ऊपर है. That doesn't mean that everybody is going to click on your website. However, it is usually told that at least you will get 10%. Okay, at least you will get what? 10%. If your website is coming on the first page of Google, out of the total search volume, you will get how much? 10%. So that means estimated traffic मेरा कितना हो गया? यहाँ पे हो गया मेरा 360, यहाँ पे हो गया मेरा 48 in the second scenario, and over here it is 440. Okay, so that is estimated traffic once my website is ranking on the first page. Again, in the F column, I'll write CPC. Okay, most of you will be confused over here that why is Mohit writing CPC? Google Ads has no connection. That is SEM has no connection with SEO, but I'll tell you the logic. Okay, but before telling the logic, let me go ahead and check what is the cost per click of this particular keyword. So let me go over here, put in this keyword. The cost per click is 113 rupees. So let me come back over here, 113 rupees. Okay, so 110 average we le sakte ho, but yeah, 113 is fine. And then I'll write over here value of keyword. I'll write over here what? The value of this keyword. Okay. Now guys, you see, if you want to be on first page of Google, there are 2 methods. Either you do SEO or either you do SEM, right? If you want to be on first page of Google, there are only 2 methods. Either you do SEO or either you do SEM. SEM is nothing but running Google Ads. Okay, now what I am trying to figure out over here is, for the same keyword, if I do Google ads, how much money is required? Okay, that is nothing but estimated traffic once I rank into the current cost per click. So I'm going to click the figure over here. You see, this is the value of keyword. Okay, I call it as, this is the opportunity cost. That means I'm going to save this much money. I'm going to save this much money if I want to run Google ads. और मुझे अगर 360 clicks चाहिए, if I want 360 clicks from Google ads, it is going to cost me 110 rupees per 113 rupees, and per month it is going to cost me 40,680 rupees. Okay, so basically what I'm trying to tell you over here is, doing SEO for this particular keyword is going to be very, very fruitful. Okay, doing SEO for this particular keyword is going to be very, very fruitful. However, I'll come down a little more. Let's see what is the value of this keyword. I'll write best digital marketing agency in Bangalore. I'll copy this keyword. I'll go back to Uber suggest. I'll try to find out what is the current CPC. So let's search for the keyword. It is 95 rupees. So let's come back over here. CPC कितना है? 95 rupees. Now, once I do SEO, I'll at least get 48 visitors per month for this particular keyword. Okay, so in order to get 48 people from Google Ads, how much money is required? 4,560 rupees is required. So that means that is the value of this particular keyword. 4,560 is also very decent. However, you see, this should be your primary focus, because the value of this particular keyword is much more higher compared to this keyword. So this should be your focus. Okay, I'll try to again tell you one more keyword. Let's say the keyword is borewell services in Bangalore. Okay, now let me write it as borewell services in Bangalore. Okay, let us see what is the search volume, etc., etc. Yeah, search volume is 30, SEO difficulty is 20, and the current cost per click is 18. Okay, now I'll again go back to my Excel sheet. I'll write borewell services in Bangalore, search volume 30, and SEO difficulty was 20. It will take how many months? It will take 3 months for me to rank on the first page of Google. Okay, and estimated traffic once I'm ranking is only 3. Right? If the search volume is only 30, that means only 10%. So it is only 3. And the cost per click was 18 rupees. So I'll write 18 over here is equal to this into this. So that means the value of this particular keyword is only 54 rupees, guys. You are going to save only 54 rupees per month if you do SEO for this particular keyword. Now, I'm not saying that there is anything harm in doing SEO for this keyword. You can definitely do SEO for this keyword, no problem at all. But you see, instead of doing SEO, waiting for 3 months for your website to be on the top, what you can do is you can just run Google Ads, right? Google Ads run करोगे तो आपका खर्चा सिर्फ कितना आएगा? सिर्फ 54 रुपीस आएगा 3 क्लिक्स के लिए. आप 3 क्लिक से ज्यादा भी करा सकते हो, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा. So that is the whole objective of doing this EFG. Okay, and let me be very clear with you, nobody is going to do EFG. EFG is only my technique. ये जो EFG का technique है ना, this is only my technique. This is something that I do, and why I do is to show to my client the value proposition of this keyword. Okay, I call it as the value proposition because I charge per keyword 2,000 rupees per month. Okay, whereas other freelancers out there, other agencies out there might be charging only 500 rupees per keyword. But what I show to the client is, sir, you're going to save this much money once your website starts ranking for this keyword. And if he's saving 40,000 rupees, I increase my price to 4,000. Okay, I increase my price to what? 4,000 rupees per keyword per month for the next 3 months. So this keyword ka price kya ho jayega? 4,000 into 3 months, which is somewhere close to 12,000 rupees. What are you supposed to do in that 3 months in order to rank this keyword? That is your on-page SEO, off-page SEO, local SEO, technical SEO, whatever it is. That is a different story altogether. At this point of time, just try to understand what is keyword research. Keyword research is nothing but you first make a list of keywords for which you want your website to rank. Okay, and when you are making that list, always search volume and search difficulty is very important, because on the basis of this search difficulty, you are going to find out how much time is required. Search volume is important because if the search volume is 0, search volume is 10, search volume is 20, it makes no sense to rank for that keyword. However, if your client wants to rank for that particular keyword, you can always go ahead. Okay, एंड सर्च डिफिकल्टी से आपको टाइम पता चल जाता है कि कितना टाइम चाहिए. एंड यो जो EFG है, दिस इज अ टेक्निक ओनली बाय मी, because I believe that to get on the top of Google, there are two different things that you can do: either run Google ads or either do SEO. So I always try to find out which one is more, what do you say, किसमें ज्यादा खर्चा कम है. For example, if SEM में यहाँ पे खर्चा मुझे सिर्फ, if I'm only spending 54 rupees to get 3 people, then why not I do SEO? So that is called as finding the value of the keyword. Okay, if you don't do this EFG also, completely fine. But yeah, I always like to show what is the value that I am giving to my client, and that is the reason I do this E, F, and G column. Okay, the only assumption over here is, out of the total search volume, 10% of traffic is going to come to your website. Sometimes it might be 8%, sometimes it might be 12%. So I have taken an average, that is 10%. Out of the total search volume, this much is going to come. Okay, and then comes the most important part. The most important part is, now you guys know which keywords to work upon. Okay, since you know the value of the keyword, you will start working for keywords which has higher value. At the same time required, make sure कि 80 plus कुछ select मत करो. Then you will tell Mohit, आपके SEO course ले लिया but अभी तक मेरा website rank नहीं कर रहा है. Okay, make sure that you are not taking any keyword which is 80 plus and even 60 plus. If you pick up any keyword in this two range, I guarantee you that you are going to rank either in 3 months or either in 6 months if you follow all the techniques in the upcoming modules. ठीक है. So अब next step क्या करना होता है? Next step करना होता है, you are supposed to select either a blog title or you are supposed to select a page. Okay. Now guys, understand one thing. When it comes to SEO, you cannot rank your home page for all the keywords. Okay, you cannot rank your home page or one single page for all the keywords. I usually tell people one page is equal to one keyword. Okay, one page is equal to one keyword. That means you have created the home page. Your home page will rank for one keyword. You have created a blog. The blog is going to rank for one particular keyword. You have created some other page on your website, let's say some product category, wholesale salwar suit. So wholesale salwar suit is one category and that will rank for one particular keyword. I'm going to talk more about this when I'm going to do on-page SEO. But as of now, understand, is it a blog that you want to rank or is it a page that you want to rank? For example, if it is a digital marketing agency in Bangalore, I cannot write top 10 digital marketing agencies in Bangalore, right? Because I am myself a digital marketing agency owner. So मेरी website, I cannot give information of my competitors on my digital marketing agency website. So I'm not going to go with blog ranking. I'm going to go with what? I'm going to go with page ranking. So I'll select this one. Okay, check. All right, check over here. That means I want to rank a page, not a blog. However, if I'm writing a blog on mohitrathi.in, mohitrathi.in is an independent digital marketing consultant. He has no connection with digital marketing agencies. Even if he is owning an agency, he has no connection with that agency. And then mohitrathi.in, being an independent digital marketing consultant, can definitely write a blog on top 10 digital marketing agencies in Bangalore. Okay, he can definitely write a blog on top 10 digital marketing agencies in Bangalore. Now guys, so the thing is, ranking a blog is much more easier than ranking a page, because ranking a page requires a lot of off-page SEO to be done. Okay, and off-page SEO is definitely tough. Whereas ranking a blog requires a lot of on-page SEO to be done. It is a combination of both, but more or less on-page karoge to ho jayega. So what I'm trying to tell you guys over here is, try to think of a keyword. Okay, try to think of a keyword and a blog title. पेज के लिए बाद में मैं आपको टेक्निक्स दिखाऊंगा, दैट इज इन माय मॉड्यूल नंबर, अपकमिंग मॉड्यूल्स, मॉड्यूल नंबर 3 or 4 I guess. But as of now, try to think of a keyword on which you can write a blog. Okay, for example, if you are into travel and tourism business, your keyword can be best places to visit in Bangalore. Okay, and the blog title can be top 10 places to visit in Bangalore, top 10, top 20, top 31, top 40, whatever it is. Okay, otherwise if you are into, let's say, some other business, like let's say you are into digital marketing agency, then think of a keyword like how can you grow your business. Okay, or how to take your business online. See what is the search volume, see what is the search difficulty, see what is the time required to rank. Okay, and then the blog title can be top 10 methods of growing your business online, something like that. Okay, so I want you guys to complete this list. This is approximately somewhere close to 2 hours of activity. So next 2 hours, I want you guys to figure out which are the goddamn keywords for which you want your website to rank for. try to select the keywords on which you can write a blog, okay, and not a page, not creating a page. And in the next module I'm going to teach you how do you get started once your blog title is ready. ठीक है, तो अभी के लिए just think of a blog title. Don't touch page, don't try to select the keywords where you want to rank your page. Okay, so that's it in this particular module of keyword research, guys. I'll see you in the next module. Thank you.